I will tell you in this video how to set profile picture from gallery in WhatsApp. First you open WhatsApp. After that go to three dot setting. Then click setting and set here profile picture. So first click here and edit profile. Click edit profile. Go to from gallery. Go to gallery. Then allow option, all allow option. After that choose your photos. I choose this photo. Okay, so set, how to set, this is frame custom, set and OK button click. This is here, done. You can see profile picture set my WhatsApp. Go back